If you work at a nonprofit, you know the struggle. Limited budget, huge mission, and everybody expects you to do more with less. AI could help, but where do you even start? And how do you use it in ways that actually align with your values? Anthropic partnered with Giving Tuesday. Yes, that Giving Tuesday to create a free certification specifically for nonprofit professionals. This isn't corporate AI training dressed up for nonprofits. It's built on research with actual nonprofit professionals about their real needs, concerns, and aspirations. I'm Vitus DK from LearnITFree.com, and in this video, I'm walking you through the AI Fluency for Nonprofits certification and showing you how it can help your organization increase impact while staying true to your mission. Before we dive into the course, let's talk about why nonprofits need specialized AI training. First, resources. You don't have a dedicated AI team or massive training budgets. You need approaches that are practical and immediately useful. Second, stakeholders. You're accountable to donors, boards, communities, and mission. The stakes for ethical use are very high. Third, mission. For profits optimize for profit. You optimize for impact. That changes what effective means. The course acknowledges all of this from the start. It's not about using AI to cut corners, it's about using AI to amplify your mission. This certification is the result of a partnership between Anthropic and Giving Tuesday's Data Commons. If you're not familiar, Giving Tuesday is the global generosity movement that has become a massive fundraising day. But they also do incredible research on the social sector. Kelsey Kramer, who directs partnerships at Giving Tuesday's Data Commons, is one of the instructors. She works daily with nonprofits using data and technology for social good. Zoe Ludwig from Anthropic's education team is the other instructor. She previously led customer education at Notion and brings deep expertise in making complex topics accessible. This partnership means the course is grounded in real nonprofit experience, not just tech company assumptions. The certification is organized into three main sections. First, introduction. 2 lessons defining AI fluency and introducing the 4D framework specifically for nonprofit contexts. Second, description-discernment. 2 lessons practicing context-rich prompting and critical evaluation through nonprofit examples like research and writing. Third, delegation-diligence. 2 lessons on making thoughtful decisions about what task to delegate while taking responsibility for high-stakes considerations like data privacy and analytical accuracy. Each section includes real nonprofit scenarios. You're not learning abstract concepts, you're learning how to apply them to your actual work. The introduction establishes what AI fluency means in a nonprofit context. They revisit the 4D framework but immediately apply it to nonprofit work. Delegation in nonprofit means asking, what task drain our team's time? What could AI handle so humans can focus on relationship building and mission critical work? But also, what should never be delegated because human connection is essential? Description becomes about communicating with AI in ways that reflect your mission. How do you describe your community, your values, your approach so AI outputs actually fit? Discernment means evaluating outputs with mission in mind. An answer might be factually correct but tone deaf to your community. You need to catch that. Diligence means taking responsibility for how AI affects your stakeholders. Data privacy is huge here. Your community trusts you with their information. The framework gives you language to have these conversations internally. The second section dives deep into description and discernment through nonprofit examples. Let me show you one scenario they use. You're writing a grant proposal, you need to describe your project to a funder. The course walks you through using AI to help, but critically. First, you describe your project to Claude. You provide context about your community, your approach, what makes you unique, and Claude helps draft sections. Then comes discernment. You evaluate. Does this sound like us? Is it accurate? Would our community recognize themselves in this description? Is there anything else missing? The course teaches specific strategies for this evaluation. Reading AI outputs with a critical eye, fact-checking claims, comparing to your actual voice and values. Then you iterate. You give feedback, Claude refines. You are in a collaboration loop, not a one and done transaction. Another powerful example is research. Nonprofits often need to understand trends, demographics, or best practices, but they may not have research staff. The course walks through using AI for research assistance while maintaining rigor. For example, you are a food bank exploring whether to start a mobile pantry program. You need to understand what similar organizations have done and what works as well as what doesn't. You describe your context to Claude, your community size, your resources, your constraints, and then you ask for research on mobile pantry models. Claude provides information, but here is where discernment is critical. The course teaches you to verify the claims against trusted sources, identify when Claude is synthesizing versus speculating, and notice if anything seems too generic or off. You might then ask Claude to help you design a survey for your community or draft questions for peer organizations you could interview. AI becomes a research assistant that helps you move faster, but you remain the researcher, making judgments based on your expertise. The third section focuses on delegation and diligence, making strategic choices about what to automate and taking responsibility for outcomes. They introduce a decision framework for delegation. For low-stakes routine tasks, consider automation, like drafting routine emails, summarizing meeting notes, and initial data sorting. For high-stakes relationship tasks, keep it human. For instance, anything involving sensitive community information, as well as major donor relationships and strategic decisions. Now, for collaborative tasks, you need to work together with AI. For instance, brainstorming, drafting, analyzing options where human judgment is still essential. Then, diligence kicks in. For every delegated task, you need first, creation diligence, choosing the appropriate AI systems and protecting data. Then, transparency diligence, being honest with stakeholders about AI's role. And finally, deployment diligence, fact checking and verifying before anything is shared. The course includes a whole section on privacy, which is crucial for nonprofits handling sensitive community data. Let me highlight the privacy section because it's so important. The course walks you through what data should never be uploaded to AI tools, for instance, personal information, donor lists without consent, sensitive community data. All of these should never make it into an AI tool. Also, the course walks you through how to think about vendor privacy policies, what to ask before adopting AI tools, organization-wide that is, and creating internal guidelines that protect your community. For nonprofits, trust is everything. If your community can't trust you with their information, your mission is compromised. This section helps you think systematically about protecting that trust. When you complete the course, you earn a certificate that demonstrates you've thought deeply through AI in nonprofit contexts. This is valuable for professional development, grant applications, because hey, funders love seeing responsible tech adoption, and also for building credibility with your brand. The course is free on Skilljar. Check out the link in the descriptions. Like this video if it's been helpful so far, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. You get all of this at no cost, just valuable learning. Now, nonprofit work is hard enough without figuring out AI on your own. This certification gives you a framework and practical strategies tailored to your unique context. The partnership with Giving Tuesday means it's grounded in real nonprofit experience, not just tech hype. and instructors understand your constraints as well as your mission. Next in this series, we're shifting to the education, then the technical track with building with the Claude API. That is for developers who want to build applications powered by Claude. Share this video with a nonprofit colleague, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Vitus DK, and you already know.